Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to see a new lesson in a history, human evolution. This lesson is a conversation between a girl, Tamalini, and her grandmother. They both are discussing about the evolution of human. In a last class, we study about what is history. Isn't it? Yes. History is a study of past events. Do you know about evolution? Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develop into an advanced stage. Evolution means the process in which humankind changes and develops into an advanced stage. Evolution is a gradual change leading to a more advanced development. So, the process of evolution is gradual. The process of evolution is gradual. What do you mean by archaeology? What do you mean by archaeology? Yes, very good. Archaeology is the study of prehistoric humans, remained materials used by the prehistoric human. Archaeology is the study of prehistoric human, remained materials used by prehistoric human. Who are archaeologists? Who are archaeologists? Archaeologists are the scientists who study people and culture. They study artifacts found in the ground to learn about how people lived in the past. They are called archaeologists. Archaeologists means they study people and culture. They study artifacts found in a ground to learn about how people lived in the past. So you know about the archaeology and an archaeologist. Isn't it? Yes. Do you know anthropology? What do you mean by anthropology? Anthropology is the study of human and evolutionary history. The word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. Anthropos meaning man or human, and logos meaning thought or reason. Anthropology is a Greek word. Anthros meaning man or human. Logos meaning thought or reason. Then say, who is anthropologist? Anthropologist means the people that practice anthropology, which is a study of humanity. They are called as a anthropologist. Are you clear? Yes. Anthropologists have unearthed the footprints of human in a country called Tanzania. Where is Tanzania? Tanzania in Eastern Africa. They were found in rock beds submerged under the sand. So, radiocarbon dating was used to ascertain the period. It was found out that the footprints of human they have discovered were about 3.5 million years old. When there is a sudden change in nature, the living beings adapt themselves to changes and survive. Humans have thus evolved over millions of years, adapting themselves to changing environment. Do you hear the word Homo sapien? Homo sapiens mean modern human being. Modern human has evolved. They stand in an erect position and walking on two legs. Changes in thumb so that they can hold things tightly. And also the development of brain. Homo sapiens migrate from East Africa to other parts of the world. They migrate out of Eastern Africa, settled in different parts of the world. Homo sapiens settled in different parts of the world. Their lifestyle also evolved and they made it suitable to the environs in which they lived. So, humans in different places adapted different form of lifestyle based on weather, climate, nature of living place, their physics and complexion also differed. Based on weather, climate, nature of living place, their physics and complexion also differed. This resulted in formation of different races. Homo sapiens engage in hunting and gathering. So, human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develop towards an advanced stage of life. What do you mean by human evolution? Human evolution means the process through which the humankind changes and develop towards an advanced stage of life. That is called as a human evolution. What do you mean by anthropology? Anthropology is the study of humans and evolutionary history. What do you mean by archaeology? Archaeology is a study of prehistoric human remained materials used by prehistoric human. Excavated material remains are the main source of archaeological studies. Who are Homo sapien? Homo sapien mean a modern human being. Are you clear? From where Homo sapien migrate? Homo sapiens migrate from East Africa to other parts of the world. Thank you, students.